How to log in Netflix on iPhone. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign in into your Netflix account on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to have the Netflix app. If you don't have it, head over to your app store and then simply search for Netflix and then download the app. So there we go. This is the app right here. Download the app, and after you download the app, you can open it up. So open up your Netflix and just let it load. After you let it load, on the top right, you will find the sign in option. Tap on it. And after you tap on the sign in option, all you have to do is type in your email address and password for your Netflix account. After you do that, tap on the sign in button. And after you tap on the sign in button, you will just be able to sign in into your account. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take